Problem number 4, again, what we're going to do is it's pretty much the same problem, right? Except we're going to 7 instead of 8. So this one's going to be 5 to the 0 plus 5 to the 1 plus 5 to the 2 all the way up to what number? 1 less than 7, right? Then we're done. Now if I want my calculator to find it, here's what I want you to do. You hit the menu button. Okay? I'll go real slow. When you hit the menu button, you'll get another menu that looks like this. You go down to calculus. Then if you hit the arrow to the right, there'll be a thing that says sum. Did you find it? You got it? Go to menu.
Where's menu at?
There's a menu button. See this button right here? On yours, it'll be one button down. So you hit the menu button. If you have a newer Nspire, it's like one button down. Then you go down to calculus, and then you go to sum. Then you hit enter. And then you could use X. I just like to use X because X is right here. It doesn't matter what variable you use as long as you use the same one throughout the whole thing. And so this is basically the exact same problem. I'm going to say 5. Whoops. This is 5, then the caret symbol. Then in parentheses, I'm going to say X minus 1. Close my parentheses, then come up to the top. Now we're only going to 7. And so it's a little bit smaller number. It's right above the x squared number, or button. Wherever the x squared is, the one right above it is the caret symbol. All the way to the left. Alright, so now I get an answer of 19,531. So this whole thing equals 19,531. Are there any questions?